In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export your Figma design to Lovable using builder.io. Before you send anything over, the first thing you want to do is prepare your design properly in Figma while working in Chrome. This matters because a clean, well-structured file will export much more smoothly and give you better results once it reaches Lovable. Start by checking that your design uses auto layout wherever it makes sense. Auto layout helps keep spacing, alignment, and responsiveness organized, which makes your design easier for the export process to interpret. If parts of your frame are still built with loose elements instead of structured containers, take a moment to organize them now. You'll also want to make sure your layer names are clear and easy to understand. This is one of those small details that can make a big difference. Instead of leaving layers with generic names, rename them so they reflect what each element actually is, like buttons, headings, images, cards, or sections. Clear naming helps keep everything easier to manage and can reduce confusion later on. Once your design is prepared, stay inside your Figma file canvas and open the builder.io plugin. If you already have the plugin installed, simply launch it from your plugins menu. After it opens, give it a second to load so you can confirm you're in the right workspace. The key here is to make sure you're running the plugin directly within the file that contains the design you want to export. Next, go back to your canvas and select the specific design frame you want to send. Be careful to choose the full frame, not just an individual element inside it. If you accidentally select a button, text layer, or smaller group, the export won't reflect the complete design. Selecting the main frame ensures the plugin captures the entire layout as intended. With the correct frame selected, return to the builder.io plugin and click Export to Lovable. This is the step that sends your chosen design from Figma into the Lovable workflow. After clicking Export, allow the process to complete without interrupting it. Depending on the size and complexity of your design, this may take a moment. And that's it. The most important part of this workflow is the setup. Using auto layout, cleaning up layer names, opening the plugin in the correct file, and selecting the right frame before exporting. If you follow those steps carefully, you'll make the handoff much smoother and set yourself up for a cleaner result in Lovable.